2023 CR 9693, State of Texas versus Sergio Rodriguez Serta. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor. Tom Nisbet on behalf of the defendant.
And are you Mr. Serta?
A Texas courtroom turns serious as a man charged with his third DWI faces prison time while also fighting possible deportation. Judge Stephanie Boyd carefully questions Sergio Serta through a Spanish interpreter to make sure he fully understands the consequences of pleading guilty. The court explains that this felony DWI could send him to prison for up to 20 years and could also permanently affect his immigration status. Now, with his wife and family watching from the courtroom, Sergio must decide whether to accept the plea deal that could change the rest of his life.
See.
Yes.
All right. And we have an interpreter here. If you could raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand and state your name for the record.
Jacqueline Payan.
All right. Mr. Serta,
See.
everything that I'm going to go over with you are in English. Were those documents explained to you in Spanish?
See.
Yes.
And did you understand all the documents?
See.
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Serta, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
See.
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Serta, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
See.
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated third or more? Normally, that's a third-degree felony with a range of punishment anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. In this case, if the state is able to prove up the repeat offender enhancement allegation, your range of punishment will be anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
See.
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
See.
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
See.
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
See.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Serta, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
See.
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
No.
Counsel, have you provided your client with information about his immigration status and the impact this plea will have on his immigration status?
Very much so, Judge. He has retained Roland Gutierrez's firm. He has an immigration lawyer there at Garcia. They have taken marital steps and positioned themselves for all the immigration consequences of the plea here today.
All right, Mr. Serta, were you advised of the consequences of pleading no contest or guilty in the application of federal immigration law?
No.
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 No contest.
No, I want you to listen to my question. Did you speak with an immigration attorney about your criminal case?
See.
Yes.
Did that immigration attorney discuss with you the impact this plea would have on your immigration status?
Sí.
Yes.
Did that conversation include the fact that you may be deported, denied naturalization, and not allowed to re-enter the United States?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand the impact a plea in this case will have on your immigration status?
Sí.
Yes.
And have you retained an immigration attorney to discuss with you the impact a plea in this case will have on your immigration status?
Sí.
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Sí.
Yes.
According to the plea, you're to agree that you've been previously convicted of a felony, that punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications. There's restitution to Robert Ortega. And if you do not show up for sentencing, your plea in this case will stand. If the court finds there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, that will stand, and you will be subject to the full range of punishment, which is up to 20 years in the prison. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Sí.
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
Okay.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Oh.
Guilty.
And to the enhancement paragraph, how do you plead? True or not true?
Yeah.
How do you plead? True or not true to the
Yeah.
enhancement paragraph?
True.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea.
Your Honor, I offer State's Exhibit 1 and the attachments.
No objection.
Mr. Serta, did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after viewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true and based upon State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. So how much time are you all asking for?
Judge, we would ask for a month if possible. His family is here, his wife, all his children, extended family members, they come to every court setting. He is on a leg monitor the entire time he's been on bond. You have had no issues through the pretrial supervision services. We would ask for a month.
All right, Mr. Serta, I'm calling you back for a sentence. You can either come back on February 12th or February 20th.
Sí, está bien.
Whichever's fine.
All right, we'll bring you back on February 12th. I'm going to give you the reset form, and you'll need to be here at 9 a.m.
Yes, Judge.
All right, thank you.
This hearing showed how one criminal case can affect every part of a person's life, not only prison time, but also immigration status, family stability, and future opportunities. Judge Stephanie Boyd carefully slowed the hearing down and made sure Sergio Serta understood every detail of the plea agreement through a Spanish interpreter. The court explained that this was not just another DWI case. Because of his previous convictions and repeat offender enhancement, he could have faced up to 20 years in prison. The hearing became even more serious when immigration consequences were discussed. Sergio confirmed that he had already spoken with an immigration attorney and understood that this guilty plea could lead to deportation or prevent him from returning to the United States in the future. Despite the seriousness of the case, the defense asked for additional time before sentencing so Sergio could spend time with his wife, children, and family members who had attended every court hearing to support him. The moment felt emotional because everyone in the courtroom understood that sentencing day would likely be life-changing. Do you think courts should consider a defendant's family support when deciding punishment in serious felony cases? Or should repeat DWI offenses always result in maximum prison time regardless of personal circumstances?